My name is Saida Sultana and I am the curator of my exhibition named Reflection of Contemporary Art in Climate Change. So my exhibition themes and perception are how contemporary art reflects climate change. The reason I chose this theme because climate change is a big concern that affects our planet broadly. In that case, contemporary artists help us to show the threat of climate change through their art. So I selected 6 artwork based on the theme and the title. Um, my first artwork is the painting called Climate Change Volcano Rabbits by Jenny Cadler. It is a part of the Archipelago series, the series based on island biography. Volcano Rabbit focuses on global issues and climate change. Artist Jenny Cadler, she is a biologist and wild preserver. In this painting, Cadler exposing that volcano rabbits live on the top of the mountain. They are widely hopping and falling from the mountain because of the volcano. This volcano was formed for global warming. A girl in this painting is collecting the stone to expand rabbits' home to save them. That means Jenny Cutler is trying to explain how global warming is dangerously affecting our world. Um, and my second painting that I chose is that Hathiwa Basin, Greenland by Jaria Forman, has created with soft pastel on paper and portrait by Denny Draw, based on the place called Arctic Ocean Glacier in 2017, and dimension is 60 inches by 90 inches. Jaria Forman is from Natick. Currently, she lives in Newark, South Natick, and then she currently lives in Newark. According to the Furman, with the help of laser and gravity measurement machine and digital, it is a digital photography. NASA scientists are mapping the geography of the ice, the reason behind all those processes, so that scientists can calculate the effect of ice melt on the rising sea levels and the overall climate system. Later, Forman created the painting Greenland based on this research. The painting shows how ice starts to melt from the glacier because of global warming. Her purpose for creating this art is to transfer the message about the global warming to the people. So, my third art that I chose is the painting Astrid Ice Paintings by Xavier Cordata. It is a small abstract artwork, and dimension is 12 inches by 9 inches. Xavier Cordata is an art and history professor at the University of Miami. Cordata created this art using ice and sediment samples from the nearest dry valley that provided by student scientists. This artwork contains some liquid discoloration of blue stain in a sandy grayish white field on paper. It is a part of the mixed media named Antarctic Sea Ice series. Miami-based artist Zeg Cordata traveled to Antarctica for this series project and created this art Astrid at McMurdo Station in 2007. The place is in the U.S. Research Center on Rose Island levels. Rose Island, Antarctica. His purpose is to generate consequences about global climate change and the uncertainty of sea levels. It has displayed at the Watacom Museum in 2013. So my fourth artwork that I chose, which is a painting Vidma landscape, was created based on the land called the Vidma Glacier. According to the artist Diana Burko, professor of Community College Philadelphia, it is not a painting but an archival pigment prints, dimension 30 inches by 30 inches. An image has taken from her journey to the Patagonian icefield in Argentina. This artist displayed that in the mountain dust covered the snow. heavy shadow in the back of the mountain and the middle of the valley, the sharp horizon line. That means Burko is trying to transfer the message through her art to humans, or to bring awareness about the environmental loss that has happened in glacial landscape. The art exhibited in Climate Contemporary Artists Respond to Climate Change, Lake George Art Project, Lake George, Newark. So my fifth artwork that I chose is Folding the Columbia by Maya Lin. She is an American-born artist and award-winning artist. It was the best. Folding the Columbia is one of the best artwork from the exhibition Ebb and Flow at the Peace Gallery, New York in 2017, and its dimension is 13 inches, 26 inches, and 1 inches. The main reason for creating this art is to show what water can do or cannot. The artwork has made with glass, marbles, and etches materials. According to Mayalin, she has always been obsessed with water, and the reason is water exists in various states, and nobody will realize it in nature as a fixed moment in time. To create this environmental based artwork on a smaller scale, she chose an empty room in the gallery. The picture showed that water started to flow from the ceiling, wall, and the floor and take over the entire room or place, which indicates the power of water. So my sixth artwork that I chose, which is it also created by Myelin, it's a Silver River. She got awarded several times and received an honorary doctorate from Harvard University. The sculpture Silver River in 2011 by Myelin was inspired by the Colorado River's boundaries and topography because its curves are similar to the western desert landscape in the USA. Made of recycled silver, and it weighed around 4,000 pounds. It was hanging on the wall, positions horizontally and waving like a zigzag. Those steps give a feeling sense of volume in the water. Its angle view reminds the Housatonic River close to Yale University. According to Lin, the sculpture Silver River is a tribute to the environmental loss. So this is, as you can see, this is a layout that I create for my exhibition. It is a Morris exhibition gallery, and the gallery is two-story building, and I exhibited I used the ground floor for my exhibition, and in the layouts is each unit I use as a 1 square foot, and there is a 4 room. One room is for gallery, cafe, and toilet, and then ticket booth. You can see the main entrance in the gallery, and there is a 2 room I used for my exhibition, and I use 6 panel, and I placed each of my artworks individually individual wall. As you can see, I colored different colors so that my viewer can understand easily, and so this is my exhibition gallery I created. And then this is the poster. I created this poster for my advertising my exhibition, and I hanging on the poster on the bus stop, and I also made a flyer. It was hanging on the city highway. You can see that. So this is all for my exhibition promotion. To promote my exhibition, I create those poster. So in the end, the main point of my exhibition is the importance of thinking about those problems and to bring awareness to my audience about the frequent climate changes which are dangerously affecting our world. I expect that my audience will be aware of all those issues and change their attitude towards all those complications. So this is the sources that I use for my exhibition. and those are all trustable source. The glacierhub.org, jennycadler.org, University of Chicago Press Journal, and then grist.org, collection.org, and then art21.org. Those are my sources, and you can see those are, I place them is in my bibliography, and then that's it. So thank you so much for watching my watching and listening my video, and then I hope you understand and enjoyed it. So bye for now.